Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again, and today I'll be doing a water test on the Nexus 7 tablet. The reason I'm performing this test is just to show you how well it does against everyday spills. Like for example, if you was to spill a cup of tea or coffee onto your screen, just to see how well it would handle it. So I'm just going to turn the tap on. Hold on. Now I'm going to set the timer. So I'm going to run the test for about a minute. So as you can see, it's a minute, so I'm going to stop the timer. And the tablet's still on. Still works, still very responsive. So yeah, it can handle everyday spills. It does not have a screen protector on there, as you can see. No screen protector. So yeah, that's just the water test on the Nexus 7 tablet. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like the video, and also subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, bye.